So in this VN video editor tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to add filters to videos here on VN Video Editor. So if I were to play my video right here, there's no filters. I'll show you guys an example of both. So if I just were to go ahead and split the clip like this, I have one clip, the other clip. The first clip's going to be normal. If I press on the second clip right here in the bottom left to where it says filter, select that. You can go ahead and change the filter here. So if I wanted to change the filter to something different, maybe the intensity like this, you can go ahead and make it black or white. You can also adjust here and do what you got to do with the contrast. So if I wanted to add this right here, this is my two different videos. If I were to play the original one right here, no filter. Here's the one with the filter. You can go ahead and play around with it just like that. Once again, go to filter, do what you got to do, and you can play around with it this way. So if I were to go ahead and play this again here, no filter, filter, the video has now been changed. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to add filters to videos here on VN Video Editor. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.